Are you also managing an astrology business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your astrology business. So as an owner of an astrology business, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages and inquiries from different clients regarding zodiac signs, horoscope reading as well as tarot card reading. Manually handling each of these inquiries is a time-consuming process, so I have decided to automate this entire task with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. I am going to build an amazing WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills to manage all the inquiries automatically 24/7 for my astrology business. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing process step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your astrology business. So as an owner of an astrology services, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp inquiries on regular basis from different clients, existing customers, and I need to handle each of these inquiry manually. But because it was a confusing task and some of the leads were getting missed, therefore I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So without any coding and programming skills, I have prepared a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, which is going to handle all the messages which I am receiving for my business, and that too 24/7. So first of all, before moving forward and learning how to create this WhatsApp chatbot by ourselves, I am going to show you that how this bot is actually going to work. So as a customer, I'm going to send a message on the number of my Cosmic Astrology Services. And here I'm going to send the message, let's say as, "Hello, please can you tell me my horoscope?" As I'm sending the message as a customer, I got an instant reply. "Welcome to Cosmic Vibes Astrology. May I know your name before we start?" Here, let's say I'm going to provide the name. New user. As I have provided this name, now I'm going to get another message, and this time I got the message automatically with my name. "Awesome new user, I'm here to help you with weekly horoscopes, tarot readings and one-on-one consultations. What would you like to explore today? Please choose an option below." Here we have three options, so let's say I'm going to select Zodiac Horoscope. As I've clicked on this button, I got a list over here. Zodiac signs. Please select your zodiac sign. When I'm going to open the list, I got a list of zodiac signs. When I'm going to select any of the zodiac sign from the list, so I got my horoscope. A powerful week for personal growth. You may be pushed into spotlight, embrace it. Creative energy is high, so start the project you have been delaying. Now, if in case I'm going to click on the button tarot card. So here I got a creative image. Tarot card readings help uncover hidden insights and guide your path with all the reading plans, and here we have the booking session link as well. So when I'm going to click on this booking session link, I got the message over here and it is providing me with a link where I can book my appointment. Okay, so in this way our flow is actually going to work. You can also very easily create it without any coding and programming skills. So without any further wait, let's start learning the entire process step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, you need to type pabbly.com/chatflow. It is going to then take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It is going to create a free new account just for you in 2 minutes. Also, when you're going to do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and also to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots for your business. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all apps section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. Now it is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. On this dashboard, we can find all the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, credits that are remaining, and also the WhatsApp number that we are handling with Pabbly Chatflow. To add your WhatsApp number, you can click on this add WhatsApp number button. Here we have two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In order to learn both the methods, we have already created the video. I'm going to attach the link of both the videos in the description. You can learn them from there. Also, if you are having multiple WhatsApp numbers, you can create separate folders over here on your dashboard to save the numbers separately and accordingly. Okay, now apart from creating flows and WhatsApp chatbots, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, we have all those features given on the left side. We have created separate detailed tutorial videos for each of these features and are uploaded on our YouTube channel. If you want to learn each of these features in detail, you can just go and watch the videos from our channel. Here we have inbox, contact section. We have team queues by which we can assign chats to our team members and track the performances. We have templates by using which we can create customized templates. Here we have the broadcast section by using which we can send bulk messages. Here we have the flow section by using which we are going to create the WhatsApp chatbots. We have AI assistant. Here we can create a personalized AI assistant for our business using this feature. We have settings over here and the get help feature if we require any help regarding the application. Okay, now let's start creating the WhatsApp chatbot for our astrology business. For that, let's first of all go towards the flow section from the left side. And over here, you can see that we are on the flow section. Here we have total flows that we have created on our account, the active flows and inactive flows. We can check everything from here. Okay. To start creating the flow, first of all, let's click on this add flow button. A blank flow is ready. Here we have the features which we can add in our flows to make it customized. Now, here you have to keep in mind that flow is going to decide your chatbot, how it is going to work. Because flow is going to decide the message which we have to send next according to the response that we have received from our client or customer on WhatsApp. So basically the WhatsApp chatbot which we are going to create over here is going to be based on flow. First of all, I'm going to give the flow name over here. So this is the name of my flow, WhatsApp chatbot for your astrology business. Now here we have to decide that how we want to start the flow. I want that as soon as on my WhatsApp number, I'm going to receive any of the message from any client or an existing customer, my flow should start working and automatically the bot should start responding. In that case, here either you can go for adding the keywords if you only want to start your flow when you're going to receive specific keywords such as dates or zodiac. In the case of astrology, we can have tarot reading, etc. But if you want that when you're going to receive any of the message, any kind of message, whether it is a word, a specific sentence, a text, a paragraph, anything, your flow should start working. Then in that case, I'm going to use a specific regex over here that is going to start my workflow automatically for every message that I'm going to receive. So this is the regex that we are going to use. You can also use the same regex if you also want to start your flow every time when you're going to receive any message. Now, as I've used this regex is actually regular expressions. It is going to identify the messages which we are receiving from our customers on WhatsApp and it is going to start the flow. Okay. As I have started the flow, as my flow is going to start, then first of all, I want to ask the name of my customer. To ask the name, I'm going to go towards actions and here we have the option of ask questions. So I'm going to drag this ask question like this and I'm going to connect it with my flow start. What question you want to ask? Here I'm going to send them the message to ask the question as, welcome to Cosmic Vibes Astrology. This is the name of my astrology services. So here I'm going to make it first of all bold. Okay. In order to make the sentence or the words bold, what you can do, you can just add the stars at the start and at the end of that word or sentence. May I know your name before we start? So here I'm asking the name of my customer. To ask the name, here I'm going to select contact custom field. I have already selected some of the details in contact custom fields. And now when I'm going to select that same field over here, and I'm going to receive the response from my customers as a reply with the name, that particular name is going to be automatically added in contact custom field section of my Pabbly Chatflow account. Further, then in my communications, I can automatically use that same detail such as the name to address the customers with their own personalized details and to make my communications more personalized. Okay, the format of this particular name is going to be text. I have selected that. Then if you want to provide the chance of free attempts, you can also enter the number of free attempts over here and also the validation message. Let's move forward. As I'm going to receive the answer from my customer along with their name, then further I'm going to send them the details that what they want to explore. For that, I'm going to send them a text plus button message so that I can send them the text along with the buttons so that they can select. So the message which I want to send is, awesome full name. I have used a $sign in front of the contact custom field to make it dynamic. So automatically when I'm going to receive the response of my customers along with their name as reply, in the next message, they are going to receive a message along with their name in the customized format automatically. In this way, you can also use contact custom fields with the $signs to make the data variable and dynamic. Now here I've entered, I am here to help you with weekly horoscopes, tarot readings and one-on-one consultations. What would you like to explore today? Please choose an option below. And now I'm going to send them 3 options which they can select. As I've shown you in the beginning of the video, the buttons that we have received. So first button will be of zodiac horoscope. If they want to know weekly horoscope according to their zodiac sign. Then here second button is going to be of tarot card reading. And the third button will be for booking the consultations. Alright, so here you can see I have added 3 buttons. Quickly I'm going to save my flow up till now. Keep saving the flow as you are moving forward to make it updated and saving. Keep saving your flows as you are moving forward towards each step to make it updated. Now, here in case my customer is going to click on the button Zodiac Horoscope. For that, I'm going to send them the list. We have 12 Zodiac signs. So I'm going to provide the details for each of the Zodiac sign according to their signs. Okay. So then I'm going to provide them a list. I'm going to enter the header as Zodiac signs and I'm going to enter, please select your Zodiac sign. And now here I'm going to click on this add section and here we are going to provide the first and here I'm going to provide the signs. Okay. So the first sign is going to be Taurus, and if the zodiac sign of a person is Taurus, they are going to click on Taurus. Then I'm going to send them their horoscope regarding their week. So I'm going to send them a message like, you are craving stability and this week delivers. Financial clarity is likely by Thursday. Don't ignore your gut when making long-term decisions. So this is the tip for this sign. In the similar manner, I'm going to add all the 12 signs. So in this way, I have added entire list of all the zodiac signs. Now, according to each of the zodiac sign, they will get personal recommendations and personal horoscope for the week. And because these horoscope details are for a single week, I'm going to update them after the week is over. So every week I'm going to update these details. Now let's move forward. First of all, let's save the flow. And as we have saved it, let's move forward towards tarot card. If the person selects tarot card, they want to get their card read. So I'm going to then send them a message as, so I'm going to send them the details according to that. First of all, I'm going to send them the media message in which I'm going to send them the prices of each of the tarot card. So I'm going to select image over here and then I'm going to upload an image over here from my computer. So here I've uploaded an image regarding the tarot card readings. These are the prices and the plans of tarot card. And now I'm going to send them another message. These are the available plans for tarot card reading. If you want to book a session with us, click below. So here I am going to provide the button for booking sessions and now I'm going to send them the link that how they can book their appointment with us. Ready for one-on-one astrology consultation? Book your session now. Here I have provided the link. Our certified astrologers will guide you through life decisions, relationships, career and more. Okay, and if they do not want to book the session now, they want to go back. So I'm going to provide them the button to go back and I'm going to connect this button with the menu message where I am sending the menu. Okay, now if in case my customer is going to click on the button book consultation, so then I'm going to send them a message along with the media regarding the plans that we are having in image format. Here I have uploaded the image, book a live astrology consultation, and the image is containing the options. Okay, the prices for each of the session. Now apart from this, I'm also going to provide them to book your session with us. Click below and I'm going to add a button over here, book session, and again if they are going to click on the button to book the session, I'm going to again connect the same message where I'm providing them the link. Okay, so in this way my flow is now ready. I have just created a basic flow, but in the similar manner you can add as many features in your flow as you want. Let's save the flow. As the flow is saved successfully, now I'm going to make you test that how this flow is actually going to work. Okay, so now I'm going to take you back towards my WhatsApp. Now over here on this number of Cosmic Astrology, the name of my business, I'm going to send a message as a customer. So let's say I'm going to send a message. Hi, I want to know my horoscope. It is saying, welcome to Cosmic Vibes Astrology. May I know your name before we start? So it is asking my name. That means here my flow is working fine. So now every time I'm going to receive a WhatsApp message for my astrology business, my flow is going to automatically start and the bot will start responding to that customer. 24/7 it is going to automate the responses effortlessly for me. So in the similar manner, you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business to effortlessly manage and handle your WhatsApp communications. Thank you for watching the video. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can ask at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free? So go try it now today. Thank you for watching.